Still working on that door, Cowpokes. Well, howdy, Cowpokes. Glad you're back here at the County Line Ranch because we're going to experience one of every rancher's favorite days of the year. In the springtime, when the grass starts growing, the cattle can go out into the pasture and start getting their own meals by eating that nice, green, fresh grass. And after doing chores of feeding cattle grain and hay every single morning, all winter long, I know Gramps and Farmer Mark are always ready to get those cattle out into the pastures because it means no more daily chores for a few months. So let's go see how we're gonna get those cattle from our corrals out to our pastures. So these cattle may not know it, but today is their lucky day. They get to leave these cattle pens and go out in the pasture where they have lots of room to graze on that nice, green, yummy grass. So most of you probably saw in an earlier episode that they've already gotten their earrings. I meant ear tags. What's next, Gramps?
Well, Farmer Mark and I have been real busy checking all the fences in the pasture and keeping them in good shape so they'll stay in the pasture we put them in. They've also got ear tags in their ear with a number on it that identifies them so we know exactly who is in what pasture. And we also put some bug spray on their back to keep all the bugs off of them so they'll enjoy that summer green grass. So let's take them out to pasture and let's load our first load of cattle.
Come on, girls! Get on the trailer! Right this way, cattle! Come on! Get on the trailer! Let's go, girls! You can do it! Right this way! Come on! Come on, cattle! On the trailer!
No, Slick Dick, you can't call cattle onto a trailer like they're dogs. Get out of the way so I can get these cattle loaded. Look out. Got him. Ready for grass.
So here we are, Cowpokes. We're out in the pasture where these cattle have all this nice green grass to eat. Farmer Mark, let's let those cattle out.
Look out, Slick Dick. They're not gonna come with you standing there.
Well, we got one load out. Farmer Mark, we better go get the rest of them.
Gramps, you feel like we're forgetting something?
No, I can't think of anything. Let's just get going.
Hi, Cowpokes. You know, I think we can learn a lot about a good diet from cattle. Remember when we talked about the importance of eating a healthy breakfast and whole grains? Well, we also saw that cattle love to eat green grass, so I thought it'd be a really good time to talk to you about eating your green veggies.
Hey, Healthy Haley. What are you teaching the Cowpokes about today?
Today we're talking about eating your healthy greens.
Oh my goodness, this is perfect. I just picked up a pack of Skittles, and the green ones are my favorite. So I'll get rid of this purple one. Don't need the yellow one. There, now I got the green ones.
That Slick Nick is never gonna get it.
What did the big flower say to the little flower?
I don't know. Do you know? I don't know. Do you know? I don't know. Do you know? I don't know. Do you know?
You're really growing, bud.
Hi, Cowpoke kids. Today we're doing another family competition. And we're gonna feed our mom and dad Jello. So, and plus we've been talking about our greens.
Yes, we've been talking about eating our greens, so we have green Jello here, and our kids are going to be using their hands to feed us. We're not going to be able to use our hands, so they're going to come around behind us. They're going to feed us these bowls of Jello, and whoever finishes their bowl first will be the winner of this competition. And what will we win, Heidi?
A Cowpokes trophy.
Okay.
Set, go.
Oh, man.
Wow.
That's pretty close.
That's pretty close.
In today's competition, the Jello eating contest, the winners are Emily and Heidi.
Oh, you didn't eat. Cowpokes, thanks so much for joining us again today on the County Line Ranch. I sure hope Slick Nick isn't still too sore from getting hit by that trailer door. You know, I bet the only thing he's sore at is Farmer Mark and Gramps for leaving him behind. Well, here he comes, and he still seems to be in a pretty good mood. We'll see you next time.
Hey, Cowpokes, make sure you give a quick click for Slick Nick on that subscribe button. That way you can find out what job we got to get done next time out here at the County Line Ranch. It'd be great if you could hit that like button, and we'd really love it if you could leave us a comment about some of the favorite things you like with our videos.
Slick Nick, you might want to go get your tractor.
Ah! I gotta run! Make sure you subscribe and like our videos, Cowpokes!